Your rank reveal reaction in one word, just one word.
OMG.
All India rank 9 is no joke at all. So you did pretty well. Congratulations on that.
I was so excited कि मैंने पार्टी दे दिया मेरे दोस्तों को.
अच्छा देना ही चाहिए obviously. ने IAT का prepare किया specifically या फिर were you preparing for JEE like the main exam?
From 10th, I had decided to pursue research, and even my parents were supportive about it.
So what is your subject interest?
Before, I was interested in physics and maths. Now, after doing bio, I have found interest in bio too.
So you gave the mock test and the test, like the final one, right? Like how did you feel? Like were they of similar levels? Was the mock test more difficult or easier? How did you feel?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Meg. Hi. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So how are you doing today? All good?
Yeah.
Okay. क्या चल रहा है आजकल? सारे टेस्ट वगैरह तो खत्म हो गए होंगे सब?
Yes.
Okay.
Very free. Like, I have a lot of time right now. एकदम
Okay.
relaxed feel हो रहा.
All right. Did you finalize where you're going?
Yeah.
अच्छा, counseling भी registration and all start कर दिया होगा?
Yes. Yes. For IIC, there isn't any counseling. No. I
Okay.
guess.
Okay.
So mostly I'm aiming for IISc.
So
Yes.
how was it like? तुमने IAT का prepare किया specifically या फिर were you preparing for JEE like the main exam?
From 10th, I had decided to pursue research, and even my parents were supportive about it. But we decided to go for JEE since it's a bit broader and I can aim for a difficult exam so that IIT also can be cleared quite easily. So I had seen a YouTube short of Class A. From that, I decided to start Class P lectures from YouTube. That the first one, the Parthiv 1.0.
Okay, so you joined Partha 1.0. Okay, and so you said that you saw some shorts from which you started thinking you should pursue it. So once you did you like explore कि कौन से lectures और है option, because many a times students think कि NEET वाला bio कर लेते हैं. This is one of the things, right? Like if you
Yeah.
do bio. So did you also explore that?
I knew about NEET bio, and even my friends who were giving NEET, they said IIT bio is a bit different. So I searched on Reddit, on Quora, and from there the responses of people were कि उसका bio जरा अलग है, then it should be curated bio for IIT specific. So I searched for that, and on YouTube I found a few channels, and I shortlisted Class P.
Okay. So how did you feel like जब bio तुम कर रहे थे, क्योंकि you're not like from a bio background, so how
Yeah.
difficult did you find it in the initial lectures and all, or was it like a very normal transition for you?
Actually, I had thought the bio would be easy, but the content, the amount of content is a lot in a way for 11th and 12th. And for IIT questions, they are more depth-based questions. So I found कि like just doing NCERT, I wouldn't understand like each sentence. So I moved towards YouTube lectures.
Yes,
Finally, the exam bio was kind of easy, I feel like, compared to a few years.
Yes, it was definitely easier, on the easier side this year's biology. Yeah, and did you like do any of the DPPs? Because in Partha 1.2 in the app, we had also posted DPPs, question practice and all. So were you doing those as well, or like that you didn't pursue?
No, I didn't have much idea ki, like what are the files and all PDFs were there. I just practiced from the lectures and made notes and revised those.
Okay. So in addition to lecture, were you enrolled in the mock test series as well, or how did you go about that portion?
Yeah, like 10 days or 15 days before exam, I enrolled for the mock test because I felt like the PYQs weren't enough because I had done a few and I wanted to do a bit like tougher ones to practice for tougher paper if it comes then. So then afterwards, since I was doing from Class K, I decided to also take Class K's mock test. And that time it was also discounted because a few days before the exam. Yeah.
yes, हाँ, like I think in the May month and all, like थोड़ा discount हो ही जाता है क्योंकि ज़्यादा time बचा नहीं होता exam के लिए.
Hmm.
So yeah, true. So I think in the mock also you were doing quite well, like from what I remember from the team's conversation कि mock में भी तुम्हारा performance अच्छा ही था, I believe,
हाँ.
right? Okay. And did you notice any difference like between your JEE preparation, like what kind of questions you had to, in the test and all that you had to face versus like the ones that you had in IIT, except for the bio thing?
Or except for the bio, I found chemistry and maths easier on the easier side. Physics, like physics had good questions. Some I felt like were at par to JEE advanced questions, like the easier to moderate JEE advanced question. One question I found out was from a from my coaching's module, like the similar question, and it
Mhm.
was in the like difficult section one. So
Okay.
yeah, the questions were good.
Hmm. No, that's true. Like math and bio are on the easier side compared to the NEET and JEE section, and then chemistry is moderate. Like it's always like
Yeah.
kind of the same, and physics definitely is on more difficult side. So I believe that JEE people have an edge in this regard because physics is more difficult, so it's easier for the JEE people to do it compared to like if you have not prepared for that difficulty level. So what is your subject interest? Like, what subject are you interested in?
Before I was interested in physics and maths mostly. Now after doing bio, I have found interest in bio too. So like the BSMS course would be the best course as I would get 3 semesters to explore each subject: physics, chem, bio, maths.
Yeah.
No
Yeah,
specific
bio.
subject like that.
I think that's one of the best thing. Like you get to really see what is there in each field, and then you can make your decision accordingly. Like I believe, like when I was doing my BSMS, I felt like that is one of the best benefits that I could also, see. We were introduced to all subjects, so then you can get more comfortable and make a better informed decision also. So, except for that, in terms of the course, I would say, like say there are many courses which promises like all sorts of exams, like you've got IIT, NIS, CBS, whatnot. Like class-based courses more centralized around IIT. So did you feel like that was one of the things that maybe was not a good feature, or you felt like that was a good feature just to focus on one?
Actually, I didn't think much and chose the class pay course.
Okay, all right. So were you going for any of the other exams, like except for IIT? Like I know JEE is there and IIT.
Yeah, JEE mains, JEE advanced, and bits too.
Okay. So you didn't appear for NEST and these other ones?
No.
Okay, understood. So, and apart from that, like the mock test, since you said you gave the mock test, how was the mock test, I would say, relevancy? Since you gave the mock test and the test, like the final one, right? Like, how did you feel? Like, were they of similar levels? Was the mock test more difficult or easier? How did you feel about it?
The mock test chemistry was sometimes like better than 2026, and sometimes it would be a bit easier. Like the test had a bit of variation in chemistry and maths, whereas physics was like the actual exam, and even bio. Some mock tests had very tough bio, I feel like, for me at least, because I hadn't done the entire portion. So in a way, it was on a bit of difficult side for some tests, and some mock tests were a bit moderate. But overall, it was like around 80 to 90% aligned with the actual exam.
Okay. So like you would say the difficulty level was kind of similar in terms of at least physics
similar.
and bio, you were saying, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good. And how was like your experience knowing your rank? Like, as you said, you were interested in research. So how was it when you got to know?
I was actually outside playing with my friends. That time I got to know the rank. My mom called me. So yeah, I was very excited. I was so excited कि मैंने पार्टी दे दिया मेरे दोस्तों को.
अच्छा देना ही चाहिए obviously. 9 is not a joke because many people feel like IIT is simpler, it's an easier exam, the competition is low, but one aspect that many people don't look at is even like I would say most of the JEE aspirant will give IAT, like at least the serious ones, right? But in spite of that, it's not necessary that the people who are doing very well in JEE will do, equally well in IAT, because you have that added factor of bio. So getting all India rank 9 is no joke at all. So you did pretty well. Congratulations on that.
Thank you.
And you were interested in science and research, so you're going in the best institute. So definitely. And what else? Like, did you get any message from that side yet, or how is it going? The IS.
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
I asked some seniors. They said like after the result, like 10 days later, we will get the email.
Okay. So you're saying 10 days after the result is announced?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. All right. And so were you planning for IIT? Like, as you said, like you already had research in your mind. So were you planning for it since 2 years, or like you wanted to do it but didn't get the time?
Yeah, I had planned for IIT from 11th. Like I had kept the last month to do bio. Actually, I had decided to do bio just after JEE mains, and then after advanced.
So from the very beginning, you had planned that like you're gonna take, you're gonna take these slots of time for bio. Like that was in your mind from the very beginning. Okay,
Yes.
that's great. And yeah, I think that's it. I have a few questions. Like the team has prepared some rapid fire, questions. So I'll just ask the questions, you answer it. Let's see how it goes. I'll say the question, you answer it. Take care. So one word for classmate.
Pretty accurate according to the exam.
Favorite teacher moment.
The explanations were quite in depth. So yeah.
Okay, great. So what helped you more, mocks or the lectures?
Most learning I got from the lectures.
Okay, chalo, good. So next is the topic you were scared of and how the preparation fixed it.
The respiration and photosynthesis part, Krebs cycle, and so many terms. Somehow I managed to make an acronym and like keep it in my head.
Okay, that's great. Actually, that is one of the difficult ones. I'll agree. Next is any advice that you would want to give your pre-prep self, like before you started preparing? Any advice that you would want to give?
For IIT,
Yes.
to do complete bio portion, because I left a few chapters, and one question was kind of easy. Otherwise, I would have gotten 60 out of 60.
Okay. So, like, did you like make a silly mistake there in that question?
No, I left the question.
Oh, you left it. अच्छा, क्योंकि prepare नहीं किया था इसलिए.
हाँ, वो chapter
Okay.
किया ही नहीं था.
अच्छा, हाँ, ठीक है. Okay, last one. So, your rank reveal reaction in one word, just one word.
OMG.
Okay, good. Well done. Chalo, you did well, Meg. And yeah, again, congratulations. You did really good. And hopefully, let's see, probably there are some rewards that ClassPay is planning for all of the rankers and who have, like, I think it's going to be from Akash sir's side. Like, he's going to probably come and, give it to you all. So let's see how that plans out. We'll be in contact about that as well. And semester कब से start होगा? August से start होगा?
हाँ, August of it.
August से start होगा. चलो ठीक है. So thanks for joining us, and yeah, let's stay in contact and let us know if you need any help from ClassPay's side. All the best
Yes.
for your
Thank you, ma'am.
future journey.
Thank you
You're
very
welcome.
much.
Chalo, see you.